So now we are in Klapa Beach Club. As you see, this area actually that in Pecatu area Uluwatu, and wow, is many people here, Pak? Okay, he said it's okay. All right, so how are you doing, guys? So it's Sunday afternoon, and then now we are in Uluwatu in Pecatu area. And now we are in Klapa Beach Club, and we will chill out and have a chill here in the Klapa Beach Club.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the entrance to the beach club, and we will see how beautiful outside. All of us.
Guys, how you doing? As Winnie said, we are in Klapa Beach Club today in New Kuta Golf. This is the place in Pecatu Uluwatu, and behind me this beautiful beach is the Dreamland Beach. Previously was called Dreamland Beach, now it's called New Kuta Beach. However, you know what I mean, guys. Not so many people, very cozy place. This is the club itself, pool. This belongs to the hotel in the same name of Klapa. Later we will go to the beach, show you guys around. I will make a few shots now. It's super cozy. Sayank is over here. You wanna say something, Sunny?
Yeah. Well, actually, that this beach club is established in
10 years ago.
10 years ago, actually, and then
I never been here.
we just. When we come here, we just go to the beach straightforward, and then now we decided to go to the Klapa Beach Club because we know that it's not so many people coming, and then,
long
we'll
time.
chill out.
Long time was no vlog in. Actually, we never make a vlog in the New Kuta Golf, so here we go, guys. I hope so you will enjoy it like always. I will show you now the place a little bit.
Good. As I told you now, only us in the pool. Not so many people.
Hi, Annie. What you have? Cannabis?
Thai fish cake.
Nice. Guys, we just got a little bit of chilling in the pool. Some drink, cannabis. Cannabis, not caban, cannabis. And behind us is the Jumeirah Hotel. This is brand new hotel. It's not open yet, but it seems to be ready or will be ready soon. Jumeirah is the brand from Dubai, from UAE. Super luxury and premium with the beautiful view. We will show you guys for sure. I can promise you guys, but not yet because it's still closed.
Yeah, because the director of sales is my friend actually.
From her school, so I know, I can promise you, yes, I will see that.
Yeah, last time I got appointment to visit him there, but because I was so busy and I have no time, but now he is in Ukraine to do a promotion of his hotel.
Nice.
Yeah, and then I think that few days ago I spoke to him actually, and I said that I will come to Jumeirah Hotel one day, and then yeah, you guys have to see the brand new hotel in Bali in Uluwatu area. Alright, so now we will go down to the beach as the sunset will come soon, and we want to see how beautiful Dreamland Beach,
New Kuta Golf Beach.
New Kuta Beach.
Not golf,
Dreamland.
New Kuta Beach, Dreamland.
New Kuta Beach.
They
Dreamland.
change the name all the time, I don't know, got confused. Anyway, we will show you guys now. Let's go.
He got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star. And baby, I'm lighting up, like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind, and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't so long, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love.
Alright, so yeah, on the Dreamland Beach or New Kuta Beach, because now the new name is New Kuta Beach. However, this full area, including the beach, have a quite long story, which is Winnie gonna told you now.
Alright, so this area.
And we change the position, okay? It's easier for me like this.
Alright, so this area actually it's around 900 hectares.
900 hectares
Yes.
of land, could you imagine?
Yes,
Private own.
Yeah, so this 900 hectares area, it's called New Kuta Beach, and it is in Uluwatu in Pechatu area. So this area is called New Kuta Beach because the owner want to make the new Kuta, you know, the second part of Kuta, something like that. As you see, this beach is white sand beach and beautiful, and this area, this resort area, is owned by Tommy Suharto. He is the son of the second president of Indonesia.
Yeah, that's how it looked like. And also the plan of the full entire area was long time ago, before the crisis, to build this like a super premium prestigious place with the luxury resort, something like is in Nusa Dua right now. That Nusa Dua obviously is older, and that should be a newer version. Unfortunately, because of the crisis, economical crisis and Asian crisis in late 90s,
1996,
it's just everything just left postponed, and it looks like it looks like.
Yeah. So now Damian and I decided to sit on the beach, sit on the white sand, and chill out and watching sunset, because today will be beautiful sunset.
And I will make a time lapse.
Yeah. And then I will swim on the beach later on. It's beautiful. Decide to swim on the beach there.
Honey, what are you doing?
I'm just looking for the crab and the snail. Oh, look at this one. This is the sea snail. Oh, he's shy. So these billabongs actually super cool. And inside the reef, you can see beautiful fish. So I will bury myself with the sand.
Hey, tell story about Dreamland Beach, please.
Well, actually, that I read in some some news online that long time ago, before this area was built, but many tourists coming just want to have a sunbathing, but they just doing like nude, topless. I read in one source in the internet. So this beach is famous long time ago, before the resort is built.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so they just come here and being nude and naked and they just do sunbathing. So this beach is famous for those who wants to get tan skin.
But what's famous about the topless now is not allowed?
Yeah. Well, actually that this land bought, this area, 900 hectare area, is bought in 1996 by Tommy, and then they start building the resort and the area, luxury resort surrounding. They started building in 1996, and suddenly the economic crisis happened in 1998. So that's why it was stopped, and this area then called Dreamland, because this is a dream for the people surrounding who live in Bali, in this area. So they dream to have a better life for this land. So this area then it's called Dreamland.
Mellow. You got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, let me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. You make me feel like the type of fire that burns from within, shining like I'm made of gold. I shine, it's true. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. You got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do
So
what
as you
we
can
do.
see, Winnie told you today 3 stories. She's better storyteller than me. However, this is the true story. You can try to Google it. I hope so you like it and enjoy it. However, it's beautiful sunset. Winnie's playing like a kid. What are you doing, Kanye, actually?
I just buried myself. I really like the sand, so soft.
Oh, that's nice.
And then just watch sunset then. It's beautiful sunset. And also this beach is famous for surfing spot. So as you see that there are many surfers here.
Honey, what are you doing again?
Now I wash myself.
That's the Bali girl. The Bali girl.
And watching sunset.
Beautiful sunset. Alright guys, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. We showed you the Dreamland New Kuta Beach, Uluwatu Beach Club. We told you the 2 stories about this place. I hope so you like it. Winnie, you...
Okay.
I don't know.
Well, actually that I think I already finished playing on sand. I already washed myself also on the beach, and
It's already after sunset time.
Alright, so thank you for watching guys. I think that's all our vlog today in Pechatu area Uluwatu. Thank you for watching, and every day our vlog at 7 p.m. So if you want to say something, if you want to see something else,
If you want to see something new in Uluwatu or anywhere, just comment below. We will try to make it the vlog for you in next few days. And like always, thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Something new, like always. See ya. Take care, guys.
Bye!
My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. You got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound.